In this video, I'll show you how to embed Instagram feed on your WordPress site. Hi, my name is Karthik. I am a web developer and the founder of WPAlgorithm.com. On Design School by WPA Algorithm, I make step-by-step WordPress and Elementor tutorials to help beginners build amazing WordPress websites. If you're a beginner or if you want to learn how to build amazing WordPress websites, subscribe to this channel and let's get started with the tutorial. Now, in order to embed our Instagram feed, we're going to use a free plugin. Log into your WordPress website, go to plugins, click on add new either here, search for the plugin in here, right? So I'm going to search for a plugin called Smash Balloon. Just type Smash and that would be enough. You can also search for Instagram and you'll get the same plugin. The plugin that we're looking for is this one, which is Smash Balloon Social Photo Feed. Click on install. Once the plugin is installed, we just need to activate the plugin. So I'll just click activate. Okay, so the plugin is active and on the left hand side of your dashboard entry, you see something called Instagram feed. Just click on that. Now that will ask us to create or connect an Instagram account. I'll just click here and the account that I'm going to connect is my personal account. I'll just click on connect. That will take us to Instagram. You can log in with your details, or if you're already logged in, you can simply click allow and that will authorize Smash Balloon. And this is my account, so I'll just click on connect this account. Since this is a private account, I need to refresh it every 60 days. If it's a public account, you can simply leave it as is and the token is refreshed. These are the restrictions put by Instagram themselves, not the plugin. So you need to understand that. And then you can see that my account is selected here and I can pick a few other options. I can click on customize and I can change the width of the feed, height of the feed, and even the background color. I can also tell this plugin how many photos I want at a time. So let's see this plugin in action first, then we can decide how to use this plugin. And there are different ways you can use this plugin to display your feed. When you click on display your feed option, you can simply put the shortcode if you have a single account. If you have multiple accounts, they'll give you different shortcodes to put different accounts, right? So here's a shortcode to basically embed Instagram feed. If you have just one user with this plugin, you can simply say Instagram feed in the square brackets and that will embed your feed. This shortcode specifies the width. This shortcode specifies the height, and so on. There are tons of shortcodes that you can play with, right? So you can show your feed with a custom bio, right? We'll get to all this, but let's see how our feed actually works. So I'll add a new page. I'll just click on add new and I'll call it about us page. And if you're a business or if you're a personal blogger, using Instagram feed is the best way to showcase your life. And basically whatever you embed, right? Your Instagram feed basically tells a story about yourself. So this is a more authentic way to connect with your audience, no matter if you're a business or if you're running a personal blog on your website or whatever, right? So I'll just type / and this is Gutenberg interface and I see a new plugin called Instagram feed. I'll just click that. And when I click that, just like that, all the pics from my Instagram are automatically imported. I'll publish this page. If I click on view page, and this is how it's gonna look like, right? And when I click on each of the photos, it takes me to Instagram of that particular account, which is my account in this case. There's also a load more button, which I can click to load more pics. As you can see here, you can also click on follow on Instagram. That will take you to follow me on Instagram, which is really nice. And let's try some other shortcodes. So I'll go back to dashboard, click on Instagram feed, click on display your feed. Let's try with a custom bio. Again, I'll go to pages. I'll simply edit this page. This time, instead of picking a block, I'll remove this. I'll just paste the shortcode, right? And I'll update this. I'll also change the page layout to Elementor full width if you have Elementor, or you can just stretch the page to full width. I'll update this Now I'll view the page and we'll see how that looks like, right? So this is how it's gonna look like. It's really cool. You can also customize the width of the feed. You can change other options, right? If I go to Instagram feed, click on settings, click on customize. Let's change this width to maybe around 70% of the width. I'll click on save changes. Now if I visit the page again, it just occupies 70% of the whole canvas in which this thing is placed. And you can see my custom bio is being shown, which is basically the shortcode that we entered. I'll click on edit page. You can edit this to anything and simply update the page. And just like that, your Instagram feed is shown to your users. And if you want to embed Instagram feed using Smash Balloon in Elementor interface, you can also do that. Just create any page or template with Elementor. Click on the widgets button. You can search for Instagram here, right? So there is a WordPress widget. It'll still work. Just click and drag it. And just like that, you can give it a title. I'll call it my Instagram feed or whatever. Or you can use a heading widget and stuff like that. I'll simply publish this. I'll click on have a look and that should just work exactly fine, right? Even though it's a WordPress widget which is not optimized for Elementor, it'll still work because Elementor is based on WordPress, right? You can change the width even here. You can go to advanced and you can play with various options. You can change the background even here. You don't have to play with the shortcodes and stuff. Maybe you can have a background like this here. And if I go back to this page, refresh this page, just like that, the background is applied to the container that has this widget. Of course, you can also use padding, margin and stuff. So if you want maybe 100 pixels padding to make it look good, anything is possible. Just like that, it's a regular Elementor interface and this thing is just embedded into the Elementor interface. So either way, you can use this widget with Gutenberg, either a shortcode or its own block, or in Elementor interface under WordPress, there's Instagram feed widget, which is this one. You can simply click and drag it, and that will also work just fine in case you want to work with Elementor interface. Hey, that's it for now. Thumbs if you liked it, subs if you loved it, and if you want to change your WordPress hosting or if you think your WordPress hosting is bad, check this video at the top. And if you want to learn more cool things like this, check this playlist at the bottom. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care.